Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a name tag in Tinkercad. So let's get started. First of all, what you'll need to do is select the cube and put it in the center. Now what you'll need to do is basically select the size to minimize it. So I will go for the 3 millimeters, and now I will make it bigger and longer. So basically, let's say I want to make it around 70, and for the width I will go with the 25. So let's select that. I will just enter right here. Okay, and now what we'll need to do is you can select a radius. So I will select something like this, and now you'll have that figure looks like this. Select this tool for you to remove a little bit of material. So now select and make sure to align that. You can use align option. So I will make a little bit smaller now. So let's make it, let's say 15. Okay, let's make it a little bit smaller. And now I will use the align tool. So let's use that. Okay, I will align it. Okay, and we did alignment, and now we can make it a little bit bigger. So right here I will remove some material, and right here I will make a hole. Okay, so we did a 3 millimeter of height for the name tag itself. So now let's say let's remove 2 millimeters of the material. So okay, click enter, and now select union group. And as you can see, we did remove some material. And now let's select the hole tool. Let's make it smaller. Okay, and bring to the figure where you want to add a pin. And now what we'll need to do is align again. So select and click on align and make it into the center. Select again, click union group. And that's how you make a name tag. Now you'll be able to add a text. So let's make it smaller. Okay, the text itself. Now I will make it guide to everything. Okay, I did a mistake, but that's not a problem. Select a color. And now what we'll need to do is make the text smaller to fit the name tag properly. So let's do that. Okay, and now for the height, we'll go the lower. So let's make it, let's say 1. And you'll see how well that turns out. So you can make it something like this, or you can just use again an alignment tool and basically find the center and etc. But for this tutorial, I will don't use alignment tool. And that's how you make a simple name tag in Tinkercad. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.